Every year, thousands of Year 11 pupils have to do their GCSEs. But is it really that stressful? Hello, my name is Noah Omari, and today we will be talking about the stress that GCSEs cause. Our reporter Demi has been interviewing a bunch of Year 11s about their preparation skills for GCSEs. We will now hand over to Demi to see how it's going. Over to you, Demi.
Hello, I'm Tanae, and I'm going to be interviewing some Year 11 students about the problems they're currently facing with their GCSE exams. First question, how are their exams?
The exams are alright. It was quite hard, the English lit that we did, but we got through it with revisions that Mr. Ford held.
Alright, and so what are your plans once you finished school?
Go college.
Sixth form.
Sixth form.
Okay, what kind of careers would you like to take on?
Mechanical engineering.
Engineering.
Civil engineering.
So do you think that the results you get in your exams will help you to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially science, physics, part of it.
Yeah. Maths.
Exactly. So how are you finding your GCSE exams currently?
It's quite hard.
They are hard, but over the years they're even more harder, so we should take this opportunity.
Are you all going to revision, and how are you finding revision? Do you think it's helpful?
It is helpful.
But the revisions are quite boring. It's like
It's not interact.
yeah, it's not interactive.
So how would you improve the revision sessions?
We should be allowed to talk because it's
More interactive.
40 minutes of the teacher talking and us just listening. It gets quite boring because
we have to do group weapons.
we do 5 hours of lesson times and then 40 minutes extra, and all of us just have to sit there quietly.
Alright, so is there anything you enjoy about revision? Do you think it's really helping you?
It is helpful at times.
Alright, which subjects do you think you need the most help in? And like, which revisions help
And
you?
English.
Science.
Okay. How are you finding the PP exams?
It's quite hard. There's too much pressure because we have to deal with revision and the PPs that we have to do.
So, are they, like, do you think they're challenging you, like, in a good way? Or like...
Sometimes, like, computer science is really hard.
Computer science is really
Yeah,
hard?
you didn't expect it to be like that.
It's good to have the PPE because it gives the indication of what the real exams are going to be like.
Okay, and do you like getting the results once you do the PP exams?
A bit nervous, looking forward to the results, but at the same time be excited to find out what it is.
So what's the scariest part in general about the exams?
It's,
Looking at the grades.
it's what you don't know. Like if there's a question that comes up and you haven't revised for it,
Yeah.
but you have revised for something else and it's not on the paper, then you get worried and you get nervous.
So do you have any regrets about maybe not revising in the early stages, or?
Yeah, because sometimes I leave it for like probably the last 2 weeks.
When we started computer science late and we don't do as much revision, so I say computer science is a difficult one.
There's more coursework than exams.
So when you have an exam, like when will you start to revise once you know that you have exams on the...
Depends on the subject.
Yeah.
Yeah, the harder subject, the earlier you start revising.
If it's easy, I do like 1 hour before the exam.
Okay. So which subjects take the most time?
Maths.
Too much topics.
Yeah, too much topics.
So do you believe that maths is the most important one for you?
Yeah. For everything really, because we need maths to get into everything.
And if you fail it, then you have to do another whole year of maths.
So it's more important than English and science?
No, science is not as much important, but English is. It's English and maths.
Yeah, alright. So how would you feel if you did really bad on the maths and the English exams?
Feel guilty.
Yeah, because maths is a boring subject that you don't want to learn again because there's too many topics, too many hard ones that you don't understand. You just have to revise them again, so you're gone to waste.
Okay, so have you heard about the new changes in the GCSEs?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how would you feel if you were in that year, the exams are exceeding, getting hard for you?
I feel stressed because
Pressure.
it's 100% exam, you don't get coursework and you just have to revise, keep practicing exam questions.
And the maths, they don't get the paper at the start that gives you all the formulas, so the formula sheet, so it's going to be really hard for them.
So do you think that not having the exams that you're having now with coursework, did that make it seem the exams easier?
Well, it is harder this year, but
The exams are
If you
probably
get
not
good
easier,
coursework,
but
compared to what the current year is doing, I feel we got it easier.
So do you think you do better in exams or coursework?
Coursework,
Coursework. And you spend more time in coursework?
yeah,
Well, we have-
some lessons.
well, we have to because we have to take, we get feedback and we have to improve on it all the time.
Yeah. So out of school, do you do coursework revision as well?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Coursework. Alright, so you prefer coursework than
Yeah.
exams? Alright. But which was more challenging? Which one challenges you the most?
The exams.
The exam. Okay, that's it.
Thank you for watching. I've been Noah Murray and you've been watching BBC School News Report. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it.